Is it time to buy or sell Roblox stock? In this video, we will explore Roblox in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 18th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Roblox as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.43. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned in the lower part of a wide and robust rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $118.16 is breached, it will first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase. But it may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 52.94% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 50.66% and 88.30%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 119.51%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 44.70% to 158.96% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $173.56 and $310.62. Our latest daily update for Roblox includes the headline, Roblox stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Roblox stock price gained 2.22% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 18th of August, 2025. This increase raised the price from $117.34 to $119.95. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.17%, with a low of $112.12 and a high of $121.28. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, showing a decline of 8.22% over that period. Additionally, the trading volume dropped by 6 million shares on the last day, with a total of 13 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.54 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $150.56, while the lowest price fell to $37.50. Currently, the stock price stands 20.33%, or $30.61, below the 52-week high of $150.56, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Roblox is currently facing a significant wave of legal and reputational challenges following a lawsuit filed by Louisiana's Attorney General. The lawsuit claims that the platform facilitated child exploitation. This complaint, along with related media coverage, led to a sharp decline in the company's stock price, which fell by double digits before experiencing a partial recovery. In response, the company has publicly denied the allegations and is committed to contesting the claims. In addition, a solicitation for securities litigation has emerged, presenting another potential legal challenge. These developments create immediate risks, including volatility driven by headlines, increased selling from cautious investors, and potential pressure on profit margins as the market factors in legal expenses, regulatory scrutiny, and reputational damage. This may cause the stock price to drop further until more clarity is provided. However, there are factors that support a longer-term recovery if the company's execution remains strong. Recent trends indicate increased user activity, with a rise in daily active users and record numbers of paying users, suggesting a significant potential for monetization. Ultimately, the long-term impact will depend on the outcomes of the litigation and whether user engagement and revenue per user continue to increase. Positive business trends could help restore the company's valuation, whereas unfavorable legal findings or new regulations might lead to sustained challenges. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned RBLX a sell rating accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned RBLX a buy rating along with a hold action. On Saturday, the 12th of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated RBLX as outperform with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave RBLX a buy rating with a hold action. On Sunday, the 22nd of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS rated RBLX as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Roblox stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell recommendation. The following signals have been identified for Roblox. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 31st, 2025, and so far it has fallen approximately 12.95%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some positive signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Roblox stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $125.48. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find support from the long-term average at around $118.83. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 83 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 73 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Roblox. Roblox finds support from accumulated volume at $119.02. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and given the solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $9.16 between its high and low, which represents an 8.17% change. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 5.24%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Roblox, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -0.440. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Roblox. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Roblox is at $124.50. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Roblox encounters its first support level at $119.02. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Roblox from various analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 7th of August, 2025, Bazaki David reported an insider sale of 1,143,191 shares of Class B common stock. On the same day, Bazaki David also reported an insider purchase of 1,143,191 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Lee Anthony P. reported an insider sale of 50,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Kaufman Matthew D. reported an insider sale of 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of August, 2025, Bazaki David reported an insider sale of 875 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.586. In summary, insiders acquired 4,435,680 shares and sold 6,682,356 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $113.38, representing a decline of 5.48%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is Roblox stock a good buy? Currently, several indicators suggest a negative outlook, which may impact the stock's development in the coming days and potentially weeks. However, we believe that the current price level presents a potential buying opportunity, and we anticipate that the price will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. Consequently, we have revised our evaluation for this stock from a strong sell to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 19th of August, we expect Roblox to open lower by $2.17, with an initial trading price of $117.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.